Hello YouTube. Today is the 14th of January 2013. I'd like to welcome you back. We have a earthquake update today, and this one's a little bit different. This one is from the Gulf of Maine. It occurred today at 18:19 hours UTC time, or at 13:19 at the epicenter local time. The location of the earthquake, and it was a 2.4 magnitude, as 4 miles southeast of Booth Bay Harbor, Maine, or 14 miles east-southeast of Bath, Maine. So that's a different one. It apparently occurred out in the Gulf of Maine there. So this is our earthquake update for today. Thank you for stopping by, and have a great day, and please subscribe, and God bless.